Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add video backgrounds in Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're in this main dashboard, either select a blank site, one of the given templates, or a recent site that you've been working on. So, how can we change this to a video background? First, I'm going to scroll down and we're going to click on Image. From the drop-down menu, we need to select Upload. From here, we must remember that we can either pick an image or we can pick a zip file. So the first thing that we need to do is to convert the video that we want to use and convert it to a zip file. So, press on Cancel first. And then, on another tab, go to freeconvert.com. This is a video to GIF converter. So, we're going to choose our file. And from here, once you've chosen your file, you can select when to start and when to end. But, when you're done with setting that up, click on Convert to GIF. After you finish uploading and converting the video, simply click on Download. And once your download is complete, go back to Google Sites. Then, click on Image again, Upload. And then, choose the video that is now a GIF file for you to use. Wait for a few seconds. And, as you can see, I am now using a video background for my site. And, there you have it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!